Did you know most Google Nest Hub camera issues come down to just a few simple fixes? Let's get your camera back online in no time. Here's what you need to know. First, check if your Wi-Fi is working. Many times the problem is just a weak or disconnected internet connection. Try using your phone or another device on the same Wi-Fi to make sure it's up and running. Next, restart your Nest Hub. You can unplug it for about 10 seconds, then plug it back in. This resets the device and can solve a lot of simple glitches. Still offline? Make sure your Google Home app is updated. Sometimes just updating the app or logging out and back in can fix the problem. If you moved your hub, check if it's too far from your router. Thick walls and long distances can mess with the signal. Try moving your Nest Hub closer to your Wi-Fi router. Last, double-check your camera settings in the Google Home app. Make sure the camera is turned on and nothing is blocking it. Still stuck? Sometimes a factory reset is needed, but save that as a last resort. That's it. Now you know the easy steps to get your Nest Hub camera back online.